to channel. If you're just an existing subscriber, thank you so much for paying attention to the videos. Okay, and then if you're a new viewer, please subscribe, like, and share. Okay, so today's platform I'll be researching on is called MNBLER. Words. Look, it's very very stressing to call the name. Look, this website is like any other website that they will just they want you to do their task, okay, their own task, and then they are not paying you anything. They say when you register, you're going to get $25, and then now I want to cash out because I've put in my payment, so I want to cash out, and tells me, sorry, you have not reached the minimum withdrawal amount, which is $200, and if you reach this $200, you won't cash out. And you can see this notification of people being paid is all these things are codes, website codes. Okay, these people, most of these people are not paid anything. Can you see fake names? The names are just very fake and scam. Okay, so this is bullshit. Sorry for using that word, bullshit. This is bullshit. This is a very big scam. It's a very big scam. You have to run away from this. Okay, you have to like run very well. You have to run away very far from this because it's a scam. Okay, if you reach the $200, they're not going to pay you any single thing. They won't pay you anything. Okay, so be smart and don't waste your time on websites that are fake. Okay, you're going to see the registration link on under the bio, and you can choose to register and do what they're saying. But if they pay you, please let me know. While if they don't pay you, let me know as well. Thank you so much.